NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission, is underway after a successful liftoff from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. DART is the first mission to test technologies for preventing a hazardous asteroid from impacting our planet. Though the target asteroid is not a threat to Earth, the mission will prove that a spacecraft can autonomously navigate to a specific asteroid and kinetically impact it. The launch was managed by NASA's Launch Services Program, based at the agency's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The rocket that will launch the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite T, or GOES-T, is now in Florida. A United Launch Alliance transport boat delivered the first and second stages of the company's Atlas V rocket to Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. GOES-T is a NASA and National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration satellite that will continue to help meteorologists observe and predict weather events that affect public safety. The launch is being managed also by NASA's Launch Services Program based at Kennedy Space Center.